According to health experts, daily consumption of bananas gives an instant boost of energy and helps maintain blood pressure. Hypertension, or high blood pressure, is the consistently high force of blood flowing through your blood vessels. Over time, hypertension can also increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, kidney disease, and other health problems. Sometimes hypertension is called the silent killer as it doesn't have symptoms. The normal range of blood pressure is 120/80, 120 systolic blood pressure, and 80 diastolic blood pressure. Consult a doctor if your blood pressure is consistently higher or lower than this. Today's video will discuss if bananas can help lower blood pressure. According to various research studies, consuming potassium-rich foods can help in lowering blood pressure. Bananas are high in potassium and low in sodium, and diets rich in potassium and low in sodium may reduce the risk of stroke, high blood pressure, and heart disease. Excessive sodium levels put a burden on blood vessels and disrupts the water balance in the body. Consuming foods loaded with potassium reduces pressure on the kidneys. It helps eliminate excess sodium in the body by flushing it out of your system through urination. Also, potassium helps maintain fluid and electrolyte balance in the body, which helps control blood pressure. So, how many bananas should you eat? According to research studies, 2 bananas a day for 1 week can help reduce your blood pressure by 10%. However, if you suffer from any other health complications, consult your doctor before including bananas in your diet. A medium-sized banana is about 100 calories with 3 grams of fiber, 1 gram of protein, 18 grams of natural sugar, and 20 grams of carbohydrates. Bananas also contain vitamin C, folate, and vitamin A. Did you know that? Aside from these vitamins, bananas are an excellent dietary source of potassium. Small bananas contain 362 milligrams of potassium, medium-sized bananas contain 422 milligrams, while large bananas have 487 milligrams. Here's how to properly select bananas. 1. Choose ripe bananas for immediate consumption and some unripe green bananas for later use. 2. Avoid bananas with brown spots or bruises. 3. Choose full, plump bananas. 4. Avoid bananas with dull gray undertones, too. For storing bananas. 1. Store bananas at room temperature away from sunlight and direct heat. 2. Place them in a well-ventilated, cool, dark place. 3. Avoid refrigeration and keep them away from other fruits. Here are some banana dishes that you can add to your diet to control blood pressure. 1. Banana pancakes. Pancakes just make breakfast so much fun for adults and kids alike. Banana pancakes also taste a million times better than toast or cereal. They fill you up better too. They are easy to make and add a buttery, creamy texture to the dish. 2. Banana bread. This versatile bread is the perfect on-the-go breakfast, gift for a loved one, or even a holiday gift. When would it not be welcome? You can even throw in other ingredients like walnuts and chocolate chips for a sweet treat. 3. Oatmeal with banana. Healthy eating doesn't need to be complicated. Oatmeal with bananas is tasty, nutritious, and easy to make for breakfast. 4. Banana smoothie. Smoothies are the best, don't you agree? With banana, skimmed milk, and low-fat yogurt, this smoothie will keep you full until lunch. Do bananas lower blood pressure? Consuming potassium-rich foods like bananas can help in lowering blood pressure. However, people with kidney disease should speak to their doctor about potassium, as too much can also be harmful. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.